Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a part 3 of the last lesson, and in today's video, we are going to take forward our discussion from the point we left. We have so far seen that how war impacted the common life in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine. We have seen it from the perspective of a young boy who started his school, who started his morning late. And naturally, he was late for school, but on the way to his school he observed that something is very unusual today, and क्या क्या unusual है, उसके लिए क्या क्या vocabulary use की जाएगी, वो सब हमने अपनी previous video में discuss किया है. We have seen that how he resisted his temptation of staying outdoors, and he entered his classroom, and while he entered his classroom, he saw that today is unusual. There is no hustle and bustle in the classroom, in the school corridors. There is complete silence as if it is Sunday morning. So let us take forward our discussion from this very point. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had gone a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and little black silk cap, all embroidered, that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. Just then, I sat on my bench. I saw that not only school was unusual, but our teacher was unusually dressed. He was wearing the dress that he used to wear during the prize days and inspection days. अब वो dress क्या थी? That was his green coat, his frilled shirt, and little black silk cap, all embroidered. This was also unusual. First thing that was unusual when this boy entered the school premises, he saw, first thing that was unusual was there was no commotion, there was no hustle and bustle in school. Usually it is there when the school starts, and as a result of which this boy has to face the entire class, face the very fact that he has come late to the class. अगर आपको मेरे पढ़ाने का तरीका पसंद आ रहा है तो it's a छोटी सी request, please do share this channel with your friends, please do like this video, please comment your remarks. I beg you for your little time. Let us grow together. 2026 2027 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ईयर है, वेस्ट नहीं करना है टाइम. टेक्सचुअल एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं. स्ट्रेंज एंड सॉलम. सी What's the last line? Besides. अब unusual क्या था? Besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. Vocabulary mark कर लीजिए, अच्छा word है. स्कूल में strange stillness थी, strange साइलेंस थी. पूरा स्कूल आज बहुत स्ट्रेंज और सोलम लग रहा था, पीसफुल लग रहा था. वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो. ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज करने का बेनिफिट क्या होता है? एग्जामिनर गेट्स द डायरेक्ट आइडिया दैट दिस कैंडिडेट, दिस स्टूडेंट हैज great understanding of NCERT, and at the same time has the knowledge of appropriate vocabulary much needed to validate your question, your answer to that question. तो अपना जिस तरीके से मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, I tell you, I have more than 10 years of teaching experience, and I am telling you tips and tricks in between. I am taking this textual reading of the chapter. ये सीरीज स्टार्ट की है, लास्ट तक ये सीरीज चलती रहेगी. Stay tuned with me. So this little boy was feeling that school is already very strange and solemn. But the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that were always empty. लेकिन एक चीज मुझे और ज्यादा strange, unusual synonyms है, use कर सकते हो. एक चीज जो मुझे बहुत सरप्राइजिंग लगी कि बैक बेंचेस दैट यूज्ड टू बी ऑलवेज एम्प्टी, द विलेज पीपल सिटिंग क्वाइटली लाइक आवरसेल्व्स. ये क्या, आज क्लास में विलेज के लोग भी बैठे हैं बैक बेंचेस पर, ये जो यूजुअली एम्प्टी रहते थे. कौन कौन बैठा था? Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others besides. Everybody looked sad, and Hauser had brought. But what was common among those villagers that they were sitting on the back benches, and secondly, they all looked very sad. Hauser, former means pehle ka mayor, pehle ka Hauser, old Hauser, mayor. They all looked very very sad, and old Hauser, that man has brought little primer that was thumped at the edges. इतना पुराना प्राइमर आज क्लास में क्यों लेकर के आया है, थ्री कॉर्नर्ड हैट पहनकर? See, the former postmaster and several others. Everybody looked sad, and Ozer had brought an old primer, thumped at the edges. He held it open on his knees, with his great spectacles lined across the pages. While I was wondering about it all, अभी मैं ये सब कुछ सोच ही रहा था कि what is so strange, what is so unusual about the day today. M. Hemel mounted his chair and in the same grave and gentle tone which he has used to me, said, "My children." अभी मैं इन things को लेकर के ponder कर ही रहा था कि M. Hemel told that why school looked so strange, so still, so solemn. Please mention this vocabulary. I tell you, my students, this is the way I will be working on your communication skills. I will be working on to how to make your answers look more effective. Please keep a pen and paper with you as you attend my class. While I was wondering about it all, M. Hemel mounted his chair and in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine." आज से Alsace and Lorraine से के schools में German language पढ़ाई जाएगी, ना कि French language. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you be, because this is your last lesson in the French language. I want you to be very, very attentive. That came like a thunderclap to this little boy. So that was the thing that was put up upon the bulletin board that he did not read. That is why school was very strange, because it is the last day of French lesson. French is their mother tongue. Alsace and Lorraine, they belong. These are two districts that belong to France. And because Alsace and Lorraine's district have been taken over by Persia, that is Germany, so that is why German will be taught in the schools of Alsace, and this is the impact of war. This is the implication of war. The French teacher M. Hemel has to leave, giving away his 40 years of duty, and villagers have gathered in the classroom just because to pay their last tribute to the teacher. I hope it is clear by now. Are you able to understand? बोलो बोलो, say yes. That ma'am हमें समझ आ रहा है आप जो पढ़ा रही हैं. My last French lesson. What a thunderclap vocabulary, shock, surprise, thunderclap word use कर सकते हो. What a thunderclap these words were to me. Oh, the wretches. Wretches यहाँ पर जर्मन के लिए यूज किया गया है, जर्मन्स के लिए जिन्होंने ओवर पावर कर लिया है. दैट वाज व्हाट दे हैड पुट अप एट द टाउन हॉल बुलेटिन बोर्ड. My last French lesson. Why? I hardly knew how to write. अरे अभी तो मुझे French language में I do not know how to write. I should never learn anymore. I must stop there and then. Oh, how sorry I was. Now he is feeling guilty. He has now realized that why school was so strange, why villagers have come here, why M. Hemel was wearing his formal attire, dress. All the reason to all this was that today is the last day, and France, this little boy, like everybody, is feeling guilty because he ignored his mother tongue. He ignored to learn it. He ignored to write it. He was more he was more tempted towards the outside world, to the big beetles and to the bright and warmth that was outside. he ignored his own mother tongue. कहते हैं जब आपकी भाषा पे मास्टरी हो तो आपकी मास्टरी हो जाती है अपनी बोली पर। अगर आपकी मास्टरी हो तो वो आपको आइडेंटिटी देती है, आइडिया ऑफ सेल्फ देती है. सो हिज आइडिया ऑफ सेल्फ, यू क्लेम टू बी अ फ्रेंच मैन एंड यू डू नॉट नो योर ओन मदर टंग, यू डो नॉट नो हाउ टू राइट योर ओन मदर टंग. सो दैट्स द केस here. My last French lesson. Why? I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn anymore. I must stop there and then. Oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds' eggs, or going sliding on the star. My books that has seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry. My grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now that I could not give up. And M. Hemmel, too, the idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Now he is overpowered by the sense of guilt, by the very fact that he will not be able to learn his language or to meet his teacher. That was overpowering him. He was now recalling the very fact that what did he do instead of attending the classes? He did all this and he ignored his classes, and now he is overpowered by the sense of guilt for not learning anything. Poor man. It was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. And now I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. Ab samajh mein aa raha hai. It was because they were sorry too. They had not gone to school more. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. अब वो country ही उनका नहीं है. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. I heard that I have been called. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule of participles all through? अरे अब तो मुझसे कुछ भी ले लेते, कुछ भी ले लेते, लेकिन ये चीज ना लेते और मैं काश बोल पाता, काश मुझे भी रिसाइट करना आता participles के बारे में, very loud and clear, without one mistake. But because I did not learn my language well, but because I did not pay any attention to my language, as a result of which, what has happened that he is not able to tell the first rule of participle. He fumbled at the very first rule. Can you imagine the situation of this little boy? But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. होता है कई बार हमें भी क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं, आंसर्स नहीं आते हैं, our heart comes in our mouth, we dread our teacher, we dread our teacher's ruler, we just cannot say this thing कि मैम नहीं आता है तो फ्रांस. बट आज कुछ डिफरेंट है, आज लास्ट लेक्चर है और लास्ट लेक्चर में भी उसे ये नहीं आता है. ये कहीं ना कहीं क्लास 12th के स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट लेसन को फर्स्ट लेसन बनाने का एक ही रीजन है जो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. फ्रांस वाली गलती मत करना, लास्ट में जाकर इंग्लिश की इंपॉर्टेंस को रियलाइज मत करना, आज ही रियलाइज कर लो कि इंग्लिश एज अ सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अपग्रेड योर परसेंटेज एंड टू एंश्योर योर ब्राइट career. English is important. So on that note, we end today's video here, and in the part 4 of this video, we will conclude this very chapter और एक bonus lecture आएगा 4th part के बाद. Stay tuned to that. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा किस तरीके से नेहा मैम इंग्लिश को टेक अप करेंगी. Please do like this channel, share this channel, comment on this video. एंथुसियाज्म बढ़ता है, बच्चे सुन रहे हैं, बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.